Good morning. I'm Dena Alberti, Assistant Professor with the School of Nursing and Health Sciences, and I am thrilled to kick off Molloy Speaks and share with you how presence can be the gateway for acting justly and with kindness. With over 35 years of experience as a registered nurse, I have witnessed significant changes within the healthcare system. These changes focused on technological advancements and the financial bottom line. With technological advancements, we focused on the electronic medical record. We were told as nurses that the electronic medical record, also known as the EMR, would save us time and streamline our patient care. Instead, we got tiny little check boxes where we had to document our patient assessment. We also had to balance looking at our patients face-to-face and our computers. The financial bottom line overshadowed nurse-patient staffing. Looking at our nurse-patient ratios, nurses became task-oriented and less about their relationships with their patients. This led me on a path to look for the language and data to preserve the art of nursing, which I believe is presence. Presence allows us to be in the now. Presence gives us the ability to be in touch with ourselves, how we connect with others, and the environment around us. With the pause of presence, it gives us the space to make compassionate choices. In my research, I explored the experience and meaning of presence for nurses who took care of patients with COVID-19 during the pandemic. And an overarching theme revealed itself. When nurses experienced presence, they felt happy and fulfilled. So I ask, can we take these nurses' experiences and apply it to ourselves? When we can feel presence, can we feel happy and fulfilled? I believe that answer to that question is yes, we can. This experience of being present is not unique to nurses. With presence, we can experience brighter days, okay? What presence is not is multitasking. As you can see in these photos, the photographer, Eric Pickers-Gill, removed the phones and technology from these individual hands, emphasizing what many of our human interactions are these days. So I ask you to take a brief pause and ask yourself, how are these devices affecting our ability to connect with each other and be present in our lives each day? Presence allows us to have brighter days. It gives us that gateway to offering kindness and to be just. And an example that illustrates this is one day I had a student come to my office hours. This student we're going to call Sam. And as Sam entered my office, I engaged in a method that helps me be present, which I will share with you in a few moments. And as Sam and I sat down, I can see that Sam was nervous, reserved, but I can also feel a tremendous heaviness between us. That led me to ask a question that I rely on often. Tell me what's most important to know about you right now. And in that moment, what Sam shared had nothing to do with that failed exam. Sam had shared that they had moved into a homeless shelter, that they were falling behind in their classes, and they had to work more to help their family. And in that moment, everything changed. I was able to connect Sam to various campus resources. We set up regular meetings until the end of the semester, and I am so happy to share that Sam completed that semester successfully. It was presence that allowed me, thank you. It was presence that allowed me to listen deeply to Sam's story. It was presence that allowed me to tap into my innate wisdom, to lean in with my heart and invite Sam to share their story. Now, that brief method that I often rely on is a quick 3-step method that I'm going to share with you. The first step is that pause. Just being aware of how you are in the moment, reminding yourself to pause. And that allows us to make a choice between an automatic reaction or an intentional response. The second action is the breath. Our breath is always with us. It acts as an anchor to focus our attention in the now. So simply taking a breath in and out allows you to be aware of the present moment. And the last step, and I probably should say my favorite, is the simple smile. A smile is a muscle activity that tells your brain to be happy. So whether you feel happy or not, the brain is going to release neurochemicals like dopamine and serotonin to enhance those happy feelings. So take a moment and smile. Smile to your neighbor. It's contagious. It's contagious. When we smile at another, it offers acceptance and non-judgment. So, these 3 simple steps, the pause, the breath, and the smile, can give us moments to experience presence in our everyday interactions and allowing us to have brighter days, acting with kindness and to be just. So, this fall, may we all have moments where we experience presence as a gift for ourselves, each other, and our students. And with warmth and gratitude, I say thank you.